how to find Truecaller chat message sound settings, and it's easy. First just open Truecaller, and now here we'll find your profile in the top corner, and now click the settings icon in top corner, and now click sounds, this one, second one, sounds, and here we'll find chat message. Just click on it, and here you can manage it, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.